Hi guys! Welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for part 2 of the unboxing of the mystery grab bags from MaiDo Stationery. These are $20 each. If you are interested and curious to see what I got in bag number 1, I'll put the link right above here. So let's dig in and see what is in bag number 2 and if it's just as good as bag number 1. There is a tear here at the bottom. There's a little bit of weight here, and I think it's probably a box, but let's go ahead and open this up. Item number 1 is this adorable plushie. It looks like a parrot from a brand called Belsey. Retails for $14.95. I know this is definitely going to be my daughter Emmy's new plushie, so I'll put that on the side. How cute. Love that they included some kawaii in there. I hear plastic. Hold on. We have a shower bomb with peppermint. It's a calming one, and this one retails for $5.95. So these two items already paid for our bag. Let's see what else we have in here. Super cool. We have a cotton towel, $11.95. Take a look at this. I love it. It's really nice and soft, and I love that it has San Francisco on it. That's so pretty. This is really soft. So San Francisco, California, with the Golden Gate Bridge right there. I love that. Let's see what else we have in here. I feel a pouch and I see it. We have this adorable pouch by, I cannot read that, Wayleaf or something. It's a dual pouch, zippered pouch. And here we go. My wallet. Retails for $105. Wow. What is this made of? Genuine leather. Okay. Really pretty, really nice. We have a little clutch. And here is the other pocket. Love that, and it's lined with fabric. We have red here and some green and orange tones. Wow, what a great value. So we have that one there. Oh, I love this. A little bookmark, says California Republic, the Golden State. $2.95. How fun is that? Let's see what else is in here. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Is this a kitty cat? Another cute little pair of earrings. It looks like a kitty cat, 50% off. And this retails for $10 by Girl Nation. This is too cute. Again, a wonderful little stocking stuffer for my girls. Definitely gonna add that. Yes. What do we have here? Awesome. So Straw for Life. We have a reusable and retractable straw. How fun. I love that it has a metal piece and it retracts, and we have a silicone mouthpiece there, and then you have this little container. This retails for $19.95 by Bold British Design. Blonde is the name of the brand. It's dishwasher safe as well, and perfect. Love it. I'm going to put that in my purse. Love, love that. Next, so far we have more than 5 items already in on there. I feel paper. How cool! Look at this. I hope you see that. Movement Dry Your Tears. It's a cute little Stay Home Club postcard, it looks like. It feels really smooth here, so I think it would go great in on a board or something. I'm going to give this to my older daughter. She loves this stuff. And it's $11.95. And I love the animation on the card. That's super cool. Looks like we have another one here. Oh, this is definitely going to my friend Joanne. Oh, cable cars, Joanne. Oh, she used to live in San Francisco, so I think she'll love this. And I know she is also an avid reader. What better bookmark to use than this one? I love that. $2.95 for that one. Let's see what else we have here. A cute little card with umbrellas. Love it. Looks like a handmade card. Best wishes, and retails for $5.75. So that's really cute. Nice to have in our card stash. How cute! It's an iron-on patch. I'm going to put this in my daughter Lil's advent counter. I think she will love this. 50% off. It's like a chocolate bar. Retails for $6.95. And also looks like a company in Los Angeles. So made in the USA, but very cute. I love that. I see another card here. Looks like a Valentine's love theme card. $5.50 by Lucky Bee Press from Santa Cruz. And the card's made of cotton paper with recycled envelopes. So super fun. Adding that to our stash. Looks like we have a candle, but how cute. It looks like a little soft serve with some sprinkles at the bottom. And this is by Bella is the brand. Retails for $22.95. I can smell it has this sweet scent to it. Looks like we're coming to the end of our grab bag here. How adorable. It is a cute little lunchbox. It says free stickers inside from a company called Little Lovely. Definitely going to give this to my nephew Logan. I think he is going to love this. He goes to daycare, and I'm sure his mom's going to love packaging some goodies and snacks in here. But it looks like we have one more. It's a little hand cream lotion. Really comes handy nowadays. We've been washing our hands frequently and need to hydrate our hands. This one retails for $8.95. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this mystery grab bag from MaiDo Stationery in San Francisco. Love it. Again, I'll stay tuned for more hauls and project shares. And thanks for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.